Checking where a symbolic link points at in Windows 7. In Windows 7, how can I check if a file is a symbolic link or not, if a folder is a junction or not, and how can I check where they are pointing at, in case they are symlink/junction? Both in Explorer and in command line. It's very important to have a way to do it from command line, in order to know how to duplicate symbolic links on another computer when you want to make an exact replica of a folder tree. If I right-click on a file and check properties, I can't find any indication that it's a symbolic link.
The dir command, dir/a, can do this. Alternatively, you can use Windows Explorer.
Using PowerShell, on at least Windows OS, you can find symbolic links in any given directory, such as the following. A more concise alternative would be to use get child items alias ls. And you can get relevant information on a symbolic link by doing any of the following. Get the file item and output its target property. Target being the value of the symbolic link. In addition, method or command signatures for creating some links when juxtaposing between operating systems. The arguments names of target, path and/or value may hold different meanings than another method signature on a different OS. Get the file item and output its link type property. An item with a link type value of symbolic link means that it's, well, symbolic. Get the file item and output its mode property. An item with L in the mode value indicates that it is a symbolic link. Get the file item and output its attributes property. An item attributed with a reparse point value may be indicative to a symbolic link.
Copy from Stack Overflow. I just used this line, and it works. Sutil reparse point query folder name, find symbolic link in GT, null and amp semicolon and amp, echo symbolic link found vertical bar echo no symbolic link. Explanation. From MSDN about Sutil. Performs tasks that are related to file allocation table, FAT, and NTFS file systems, such as managing reparse points, managing sparse files, or dismounting a volume. If it is used without parameters, Sutil displays a list of supported subcommands. For our use, we just care that it outputs a line that has symbolic link in it, if it's symbolic, which we then find, and if find succeeds, we output one thing, if it doesn't, we output something else. Notes. The quotes around the folder name are required if the path has spaces in it. It gives the same output whether the folder doesn't exist, or isn't a symlink. Use with caution.
To check the location of symlinks and junction points in Windows 7 or Windows 10, via Windows Explorer, open the parent folder of the suspected symlink or junction point. Note that symlinks and junction points get a shortcut icon applied in Windows 10, not sure about Windows 7. In the top of the Explorer window, in the row of column names, right-click and select More. Tick the box next to Link Target in the pop-up window that appears. The path to the actual symlink location will be displayed in the link target column that is added. Note that this only works for symlinks, not junction points. Via command prompt, navigate to the parent folder of the suspected symlink or junction point. Type dir/a. A list of all files and folders will be displayed, including details of whether each is a symlink or junction point and where it points to.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.